Hi, and welcome to our Fixperts group project. This is our Fix partner, Maddie.
After that, I broke my fingers, and I had them in a splint for a little while, and then, but because I didn't realise I'd broken, it caused a lot of swelling in my hand, which has meant that I've now also got carpal tunnel syndrome.
Her injuries from playing netball and the resulting nerve damage meant that she struggled to do things such as typing and driving. We used foam to create basic models of some of the concept which our Fix partner could test. It was our aim to make her life easier. We developed these concepts further, in particular the typing aid, making it more suited to her everyday life and her particular injuries. We also used polymuff to get more accurate shape of Maddie's hand for the typing aid. We have it, the typo.